Welcome to Matthew YouTube channel. Today in this class I am explaining about problems regarding partnership. Already know what is partnership, how the partnership will be maintained. So partnership is nothing but two persons or more persons can do a business by jointly. That is partner. Those are partners. And the deal or agreement between them is known as partnership. So by doing the business jointly is called partners, and deal is known as or agreement is known as partnership. Okay. And then two types of partners are there: working partner and sleeping partner. Who runs the business is known as working partner. Who simply invests the money, he didn't do any business, he didn't do any work in business, he did not enter in transactions or business, that person is called sleeping person or sleeping partners. Okay. Okay, now see the problem. A, B and C started a business. Okay, A, B and C started a business by investing 1 lakh, 1.25 lakh, 1.5 lakh respectively. Find the share of each. So you have to find the share of each out of an amount profit of Rs 60,000. So those got profit of 60,000, but investment of A is 1 lakh, investment of B is 1.25 lakh, and investment of C is 1.5 lakh. So those got profit, this one 60,000 annually or half yearly or 2 years, whatever it may be, depends on those agreements. Okay, so these 60,000 want to share between these three partners depending on their capital investments. Okay, simple. Here ratios, what are the ratios of shares of B, A, B and C? Ratios of shares of A, B and C equals to ratio of their investments. Okay, so this is important. Ratio of shares of A and B, C equals to ratio of their investments. What are those investments? A invested 1 lakh. Okay. B invested 1.52 lakh. And C invested 1.5 lakh. 1.25, 1.5. Okay. These three zeros gets cancelled. Now 5 20 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 3 ja. These are the ratios of their investments. That means if A keeps 20 rupees, B is 25 rupees and C is 30 rupees. These are the investments of their ratios. Now total profit is 60,000. This 60,000 will be divided among these three partners. That is the question. So this 20 rupees, 25, 30 rupees. So this 60,000 how can be divided among those three partners? First of all, we can see A's share. A's share equals to what is share? 20. So total profit is total profit equals to Rs 60,000. Yes. So total profit 60,000 into What is share of A? 20. Total share 45, 75. That's all. See here again. What is the total profit? This one 60,000. What is A share? 20. And total shares 75. Divide this now. 5 4 ja, 5 15 ja, 15 1 ja, 15 4 ja, zeros. Okay. So multiply this 4 4 ja 16. 16,000 rupees. That is share of A. That's all. Okay. B share equals to total profit into what is B share? 25 divided by total shares 75. Divide this 25 1 ja, 25 3 ja. Yes. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 20,000. That is B share. Again, C share equals to total profit and C share divided by total share. Okay? 5 6 ja, 5 20, 5 15 ja, 15 1 ja, 15 4 ja, 3 zeros. That means 24,000 RS. This is C share, this is B share. Therefore, total shares S share plus B share equals C share equals to what is A share? 16,000 plus B share 20,000, C share 24,000. So how much? 60,000 rupees. So now total profit is how much? 60,000. In this way you can distributed among these three partners 60,000, 20, 24,000. Totally again 60,000. So you have to observe what is the total profit is equal or not. At that time only your problem is correct. Otherwise wrong. Yes or not? So this 60,000 will distributed among these three partners in this way. First we can find total shares. Ratio of shares depends upon their capitals or investments. After that you can do individually A share, B share, C share. Okay? In this way you can do the problem. Okay? Okay. See the next problem. ABC enter into partnership. So there are three partners are there. A, B and C. A invests 4 times as much as B invests. So A invests 4 times as much as B invests. And B invests half of what C invests. At the end of the year, the profit earned is 7,000. What is share of C? Now we have to find share of C. How to find? Simple. First let us consider C's capital or C's share. Solution. Let C's capital equals to X or rupees X. Okay? Then B's capital equals to half of 1 by 2 X rupees. Then also C's capital equals to how much? 4 times as much as B invests. 4 times as much as B invests. B investment is what? Half of X. Cancel. That is 2X rupees. This capital of C, capital of B, capital of A. Now ratios of three partners. Who's are three partners? A, B and C. So A investment, A is what? 2x is to B half of x, C x. So A, B, C. Now what do you get? X's cancel. 2 2 ja 4 is to 1 by multiplying all the ratios with 2. 2 4, 2 1 ja 2. Okay, this is 1. Okay, by dividing by multiplying all the ratios with 2. 2 into 2 4. 2 means 2 1 ja 2. 2 by 2 1. 2 into 1 where multiple is 1. 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so 4 is to 1 is to 2. This is shares of A, B and C. Now you have to find the share of C. Yes or not? That is the question. How to find share of C? Simple. Therefore, share of C equals to total profit into C share divided by sum of the shares. This is important. Whenever you have to do, you have to find individual shares, A, B or C, whatever may be, you can find that one. Now, what is total profit now? 7,000. Yes, 7,000 into C share is 2 divided by total share is 7. 4 plus 1 plus, I write again here, 4 plus 1 plus 2. Now 7,000 into 2 by 7. 7 1 ja 7. 0 0. That is 2 into 1,000, 2,000 rupees. This is C share. Okay. So in this way you can find the individual shares. What A, B or C, whatever you can find. Okay. Therefore, C's share equals to RS 2,000. This is the answer. This way you can find the C share or A share or B share. Here important point is total profit into individual share A or B or C by total shares. That is the formula which you have to do for finding the individual share. This is the formula. Total profit by C share by sum of the shares. So whenever you know this formula, you can do the problems easily regarding partnership. This is the most important formula. Okay. So dear friends, remember this formula. Practice this more times. You can remember easily. Okay, dear friends. We want to do partnership formula. There are 3 important points that observed. Those are enter into the business. Those are called partners. And deal between them is known as partnership. And there are 2 types of partners are there: working partner and sleeping partner. Working partner is nothing but who runs the business. 1 or more persons, whatever it depends upon the capitalization, depends upon the company, depends on factory, depends upon industry, depends upon business. So about Reliance is there are so many partners are there in Reliance. So that is a big organization, big capital amounts are required for maintaining the business. So there are so many investors are there. Some sleeping partners are there, some working partners are there. That means working partners is nothing but who runs the business. Those are working partners. Some sleeping partners are there. Those are simply investing money. That's all. Those did enter into the business, but loss or gain depends upon the profit or loss. Okay. Those yearly or half yearly or 2 years, after 2 years, those can distributed the shares. That means depends upon share, loss or gain will be happening. So these are some business tricks. Those are want to know about some business tricks or do the business in partnership. Okay, this is very important point to the deal, that is agreement, depends upon capitals. So that is called partnership. Okay, that's working partners, sleeping partner. This is about partnership. Okay, dear friends, Thanks for watching Matthew YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Matthew and hit on bell icons to get more information. Thank you.